Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and I gotta say, I just installed the most natural wig on the market, and she is 100% glueless. Now this one comes courtesy of Nadula hair, and they sent over this beautiful 5x5 pre-everything Yaki Straight lace wig. I'm gonna give you straight as well as some curls. I'm gonna do a very easy 5-minute install, and you'll get all the tea on this slay. And I almost forgot to mention, Nadula just got a brand upgrade. Yes, all new everything from their website to their packaging, even the goodies have gotten an upgrade. So if you want to get all the details on Nadula and the wig I'm rocking today, let's get started. Okay, ladies, jumping right into it. It's always best to start with a nude wig cap. Nude can be whatever shade is nude for you. And also a flat protective style underneath will give you the best look. My braids are a little lumpy and bumpy, so you're going to see how I still get the best install today. This here is our gorgeous girl. As I mentioned, we're going Yaki Straight. This is a 5x5 pre-everything closure wig. As you guys can see, when you pull off the tape, the hairline is absolutely immaculate. From the pre-cut lace to the scallop cut that makes it so camouflage, the pre-plucked hairline as well as the pre-bleached knots. We are definitely in good hands, and definitely I am 100% confident that this is going to be a smooth, easy, breezy install. So here I'm giving you a look at the entire construction of the cap. You can include the adjustable strap that is in your packaging, but for now I'm just gonna work without it, and this is what our wig looks like on. So as you guys can see, the hairline definitely is a telltale sign that this is a glueless wig and a glueless fit. I did go ahead and adjust the straps in the back for a little bit of protection, and again, you can add that adjustable elastic band if you want a little bit more protection, but you guys can see we are already slaying just with a little bit of a brush. Here is a close-up of the hairline. You can see in full HD that the hairline is definitely pre-plucked. Should there be any customizations you would like to do to your wig, this is a great time to go in and like tint the lace, pluck the hairline out even more, or whatever it is your heart desires. Here's a look at what the wig looks like from the back. She gives natural, but she also gives like long and full at the same time, if that makes any sense. So you get the slay, but you also don't have like an overbearing wig that it just gives too much. Here's a look at what she looks like set as a side part. And now we can begin to install our wig. So step one is simply to pull the hair away from your face. And I'm going to start off by tinting the lace. Today we're working with creams. You guys know I love the Ruby Kisses range. So I went for, I believe this is shades 16 and then the shades 15 range. And I settled on the 15 because it's closer to my complexion. But what I have learned about lace tint, when you match one to your skin, it's almost like it's borderline too light. So sometimes it's best to go a shade or two darker and possibly even a little bit more cool, but not too purple. And that is kind of how I typically can say it is easiest to find your perfect shade for lace tint. As you guys can see with the shade 15 range, it does come with two colors, and I kind of played with both, and it just gave a little bit too light, a little bit too perfect, and I wanted to deepen it. So I pulled out that darker palette and I was able to play within the colors, and I'm a lot more satisfied with the final result. You guys can see here it is for sure melted a lot more. I want to take it up a notch, so I'm going to use this product. This is a extra hold hairspray. Yes, a hairspray that you would typically use to style the ends of your hair, like say your curls, and make them last longer. Well, when you touch a product like that and then it dries, it gives a more tacky finish. So I applied it to my hairline and I applied the lace on top, and it's going to dry and it's going to give that tackiness, which is going to work in my favor to melt the lace down. It's still going to be glueless, but it's going to be melted and slayed for sure. So here I'm giving you another look at what it would look like set as a side part, but we are also going to use this to our advantage. I really want a very, very, very flat install. So this is another way to get it installed that's super flat. You can take and part out section by section, nice thin size sections of hair, put a decent amount of wax down and press it all the way until you get to the center or wherever your part is. And this is going to make it easier and quicker, in my opinion, to get a really, really flat install. Over the years, you guys have seen me do this, except I would only do it along the parting as well as the hairline. And I found that a lot of the times I will really take my time and just spend minutes and minutes and minutes getting it flat until I can't anymore. And I find that you can definitely cut down the time by parting beneath that parting that you have chosen, and it gets super flat. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I got it extremely flat. And if you thought I wasn't done, I definitely went in with my big back curling iron and added a little hairspray to seal the deal. And now I feel like I'm in the game, and the only thing that's holding me back is that my braids are not as flat as I would like under my wig. But nonetheless, we are in good hands to have a really flawless, super natural install that looks like we went and paid hundreds of dollars to the best stylist in the game. So now that we've removed the melt belt, you guys can see how melted and flat the hairline is. I went ahead and added a little heat to the hairline to really make it look good. And then I'm gonna set it a little bit more with some more of that Ruby Kisses product. And I am pleased. I feel like it looks absolutely perfect. I'm also gonna make sure that we go into that parting with the same products, except this time I did use a powder, and I think it looks absolutely flawless. You can definitely take your time and pack that in, and if you get any on the actual hair, you can just use a towel or a rag and you can kind of just blend it out and it will come out flawlessly. So now that we've gotten everything done, we literally have only been working on this for maybe about 7 minutes at this point. So I wanted to go in and just silk press the hair. So I took my Babyliss flat iron and I went in and just pressed it until I got the look I like. Now you guys already know a heat protectant is a great option, or you can go in with a serum. I do feel like products help the hair to look a lot more silky, but if you are not wanting your hair to be like too weighed down, you can definitely go without any product at all. And look at how beautiful this looks. No product, no heat protectant, and she is absolutely flawless. I'm going to repeat these steps on the opposite side. And another tip is to for sure use a rat tail comb and go in and chase the comb with the flat iron. And this is a great way to ensure that you get every strand super bone straight for that really good silk press. So as promised, Nadula did get a brand upgrade, and they upgraded all of their packaging from the holographic bag to the box. This new box is absolutely gorgeous, and inside they did include all of the goodies. So here's one of the upgrades here, which is the dust bag. I love this creamy color with the blue. It's so gorgeous. As promised, they did include the adjustable elastic band as well as a pack of HD wig caps. So if you don't have any, you definitely get 2. Here's another upgrade. They did include this melt belt, and it matches the packaging perfectly. And then they also gave this really nice dust bag, and inside we did get a second pack of HD wig caps as well as a second melt belt. So it's literally the perfect deal. One for me and then one I could share with you guys, as well as these beautiful festive press-on nails. I can't wait to wear these for the holidays and show out. And then they gave me this really nice pouch, and I was super excited because it's reusable. So it's perfect to like store your jewelry for travel. And inside they did give me this beautiful necklace, and it is a double stacked necklace, and it does have that Nadula logo at the end. And that is pretty much it for this install, love bugs. But I just couldn't stop there because I felt like I promised 10 minutes or less, but I really gave like 5 or 6 minutes. So I did, for my own sake, go in with a big barrel curling iron, and I just did some simple and easy curls. I don't even think I put too much hairspray along the process. And again, I was just adding a little bit of a wave pattern to it. It would be great to do this with your, first of all, do smaller sections, take your time, and then use some hairspray. And then you can even use like flexi rods or pin curls to really seal the curls. At this point, it was later in the evening, and I was just going to step out for a few minutes. So I really didn't need like the best curls, but you for sure can get some amazing curls out of this one. And it just adds a little bit of fun to it. So I went ahead and added the curls, and you guys see how you can like get that like bang in the front. That's really what I wanted, and I love the way it came out. I'll have all the details on this wig, including a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.